Welcome to Rajalakshmi Health City. Designed for patient comfort. A landmark of excellence in healthcare services. Step into excellence where care begins. A breath of fresh air for wellness and relaxation. Warm welcome and efficient service. Spacious, well-equipped for seamless patient care. Dedicated departments for specialized treatments. Advanced medical facilities and cutting-edge technology, built for excellence and modern healthcare. Rapid response 24/7 emergency care. Rajalakshmi Health City. Visit us at WTM London, Stand N12-520. Crescent Meditours, your trusted partner in global medical travel.